Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Dell monitor no DP signal, DisplayPort, input source and cable troubleshooting. So the fix one, perform a monitor hardware power reset. So first you can turn off your computer and Dell monitor. Next unplug the monitor power cable from the back of the monitor. Now disconnect the DisplayPort cable from both the monitor and computer. Now press and hold the monitor power button for about 15 seconds. Now reconnect the monitor power cable and reconnect the DisplayPort cable securely at both ends. Now turn on the computer first and turn on the monitor and check for a DP signal. Fix 2. Manually select the DisplayPort input. So if the monitor is set to auto select or another input, it may not detect the DP connection correctly. So press the monitor menu or joystick button. Open the input source and select DisplayPort. If your monitor uses a mini DisplayPort, select DP MDP instead. Exit the OS menu and check whether the picture appears. The fix 3. Check the DP cable and graphics card board. Disconnect the DP cable and inspect both connectors for damage. Reconnect the cable firmly at the both ends, and if you are using a desktop with a dedicated graphics card, you can connect the DP cable to the graphics card DP port, not the motherboard video output. Next, if your graphics card has multiple DP ports, try another one if possible and test with a different DisplayPort cable. Temporarily remove adapters, docking station, KVM switches or extension cable. Fix 4. Reset the Windows graphics card. If Windows has started but the monitor remains black, press Window plus Control plus Shift plus B at the same time. You may hear a beep or see the screen briefly flickering. Wait a few seconds for the display to reconnect. Fix 5. Perform a monitor factory reset. If necessary, temporarily connecting the computer to a monitor using a HDMI so you can access the OSD. So press the monitor menu joystick button. Now open the other menu. Select factory reset or reset and select yes to confirm. Next, return to a input source. So you can select the DP or display port and reconnect the display port cable and test the signal. Goodbye, thanks for watching.